Wanna learn how to delete your Twitter account? I'll teach you how to do it today. Welcome back to Tutorials Point. Before starting, you can subscribe to our channel for more videos and updates. I am already logged in. Make sure you are as well. Now, tap on this profile icon on the top left corner. Tap on Settings and Privacy, Web Help Center. Tap on Account on the top. Scroll down. On the bottom, just above Logout, you can see an option of Deactivate your account. Tap on it. You can see that this will deactivate your account. Scroll down. On the bottom, you can see an option of Deactivate with this red text. Tap on it. So to complete your deactivation request, you need to enter your password associated with this account. Try tapping on password and entering your current password. When you're done doing it, tap on deactivate on the bottom right corner. If you're sure you want to deactivate your account, tap on yes, deactivate on the right corner below. So you can see that your account is deactivated successfully. So tap on got it below, and just by doing it, you have successfully deleted your Twitter account. So this is how you do it. I hope this video was really helpful for you and I was able to help you. I am going to see you on the next video. Till then, keep calm, stay safe, and goodbye.